Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get small business grant of up to $65,000. And when I say grant, it means free money. Yes, these opportunities are available in your states. All you need to do, you just need to subscribe to the Credit Viral channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload these sort of videos for you. And remember, right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $25,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video and more small business grants video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload the videos for you. And please like this video, it helps this channel grow, and it also helps this video reach to the wider audience so they can also support their business and their personal life as well. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So right in front of you, you have the website of Illinois Departments of Commerce and Economy and Opportunity. So what it is, they are already done with their round 1 and now they are giving the business grants for round 2. I'm not going to stretch this video a lot, but I would like to tell you that I am going to tell you step by step how you can get this grant, and all the links are pasted below in the video's description. So don't forget to give it a big like because this video is going to help you a lot in your business and we deserve a like. And then let me just tell you that what it is and how you can apply for this, and is it actually safe for you to do that. The grant means free money in the other words. So what it means, if wherever you say grant, it means you won't have to pay it back. When you apply for it, you get it, you're good to go, that money is yours and you will not have to return it as far as you're following some sort of rules, and you have to follow them accordingly. Remember, I always tell you that these opportunities are really vital for your business. So whenever you get these sort of opportunities, always avail these opportunities because these opportunities will greatly help you in your business. And especially when this pandemic came, believe me, it created a lot of opportunities for a lot of business. I know a lot of people are suffering with so many things, but if you use your head correctly and if you research and if you like the Credit Viral channel and subscribe to it, you will get informed about the awesome opportunities like this one that is appearing right in front of you. So let's see what the application looks like and what you need to do. So whenever you're going to click on the link in the video's description, this website will open, and the website is the Illinois Department of Commerce and Economic Opportunity. Yes, they have 2 rounds and we are hearing that they're coming up with round 3, but it's gonna come after the election. But right now you have great opportunity that you can actually apply for round 2. So round 1 is already done. As you can see, they have funded actually $49 million to restaurants, personal care services, gyms, fitness clubs and other businesses in whole Illinois. So what do you need to do right here? Now we are going to go towards the round 2. In round 2, they are going to give $220 million, and that is actually for the same purpose. Now they are giving more money to the people, and believe me, in round 2, when it comes to this, not a lot of people know about this opportunity, and even in the round 1 they are left with some money, so they added the money in round 2 so you can apply for it. So even if you share this video with your loved ones or with your friends or other business partners or other people that you know, believe me, it will not affect your application because they have a lot of money and no one is applying for it. So now let's see where you need to click to open the application. So when you scroll down, you will see apply now, and it says business interruption grant application. You need to click on it. As soon as you click on it, so this page will open, and now what you need to do, you need to actually click on this start button. As soon as you click on it, this page will open. It will tell you your eligibility criteria, and I will go through this step by step, so bear with me till the end of this video please, because this video is going to help you greatly when it comes to apply for this grant. Because that you know, on Credit Viral channel we give you every detail that you need to know, right? So the first requirement is that it must be independently owned and operated for profit. So it's not for non-profit, it's only for profit. So now let's go towards the second point. The second point is that must have been operating for at least 3 months prior to March 2020. As we already know, this pandemic came in February and March. It went on the peak on February and March. So all these grants started coming after that, and the business actually got affected from March 2020. So if you've been operated for at least 3 months before March 2020, then you are good to go and you can apply for this grant. The third one is actually must have had less than 20 million in revenue. Of course, if you have less than 20 million dollars in revenue, and I think pretty much 99% of the business will have less than 20 million dollars in the revenue, because if you have over 20 million, believe me, you don't need the grant. So yes, in 2019, then you're good to go. And of course, must have experienced operating losses since March 21, 2020. That's something that's internal to your business, so you can just deal with that. And of course, your business has to be affected by, I'm not going to take the name, but it must be affected by pandemic in any way, that that you have to fire employees, you have to lay them off, you have to cut down your expenses, and or your business is affected in any way, right? So you are eligible for this grant. So now when you scroll down, this form is right here in front of you. The first, what you need to do, you need to put your first name, last name, email address, then you need to confirm it, your business number. Remember, when it comes to your business number, you can actually put it right here, but if you have your personal cell phone, I prefer that, because when it says business owner phone, if they are going to contact you, it will come directly to you. So please remember this, to give your own number instead of your business number, right? And then of course put your address right here, whatever the state. Of course state is Illinois, as we all know. And then the business information is just like business name and your DBA name, address, your business is profit or non-profit. Remember, this grant is for profit business, not for non-profit. So remember, it's just for business who are there in the market for profit only. So now you can actually select your industry wherever your business falls in, and then your percentage of the dedicated to the industry, your capacity, like your indoor spaces, how many people you can accommodate. It totally depends what sort of business you have. Are you providing any sort of service, or you are selling something? It's totally up to you. So see that. Of course, your ID number, your DUNS, if you have DUNS number, that's great, right? And then your business website. Remember, the business DUNS number, it's not a requirement, is just an option. And then you can actually put your when you started your business, your gross operating revenue in 2019, and did you file your tax returns, and you have to tell them yes. If you did not, then don't apply for this. And then just you need to fill the form and complete it. And then of course they need your banking information as well, because if they're going to accept it, they will deposit the money right away in your bank. Sign it and submit the form. Again, right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $25,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to know about it, in order to get notified, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And we are coming up with more grants, small business grants in your own state as well. And what I mean by in your own state is that I'm going to upload 13 more videos which will allow you to get grants in 13 different states. So do remember to subscribe and click on the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.